to the most horrific, horrific game, Mr. Hop's Playhouse. This is the most creepiest. And don't forget, this is a Scary Thieves 1. Scary Thieves, flashing lights, and jump scares. Don't forget to shout out and say, ah! Let's go to the new game. So, what's gonna happen? Okay. I like this game. It's like horrifying. So, ganun talaga salita, guys. Dad, can you take Mr. Hop tonight? He's here with me. Don't be silly, Ruby. What would Nana think of you saying that? She made him just for you. Duh. I'll leave your light on. That light on. Try and get some sleep. Oh, that's creepy. Mom, Dad, oh my gosh, I like her voice. I like her skin. Now I'm cool, guys. Head to parents' room. Okay. Ay! Oh, loud noises, guys. Loud noises pala eh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get that paper. Oh, wait, what happened? Okay. Bam. Okay. Is this allowed? Make sure it's safe before coming out of hiding. Okay. Wait. Carefully listen to your surroundings. Where? Okay. What is this? This is a bedroom. Oh! Nicole's car. Mom, Dad, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. I just go inside. Please lock. Dapat di sa kumagi, guys. Kaya mo siya mo magpakita. Ako magalit kumagi ko. Di ako. Oh, kulbaanan ako, guys. Oy! Ay, nako. Tik kayo makasay. Okay. Leave the house. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. Kasasan yung guys eh. Nakakag ano. Hanang. Oh my gosh! Please lang! Itago na gali ko! Itago na gali ko sa sofa. Oh my god. Katawa na siya. Wala ko ni tamak sa tago lang pala. Kaya siya diya. Na siya dito. Naglako-lako ko siya pagdaramdam sa kwa. Kasi doon lang sounds, guys. Na siya. Layo ang sounds. Kung layo ang tingog, na siya sa layo. Diyan na kamo ato na siya sa layo kay ano kay na siya. Oh my gosh. Ay! Oh my gosh. Huwag ka niyang gagan. Oh! Wala. Mom. Okay. Look for Ruby's mother. Oh, okay. Some doors need a key. Kaya na. Oh my gosh, paspasan niya. Oh, dali, aray ko naman niya. Okay. Wait, where's that? Anniversary 18th April. Whee, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, Mama! Okay. Tape recorder. A sticky note attached reads under the mirror. Okay. Find the tape. 6 tapes. So, ato siya sa, sa ubos. Okay. Let's go to the first floor. There's nothing. Oh, there! September 18th. Jenna, Ruby, and I went to see Esther yesterday. Ruby always loves seeing her grandmother. Nana, she calls her. She's not been doing so well in recent months. We went around the other weekend and she was just staring at the wall. We had to really shake her, snap her out of it, and then she was just fine like nothing had happened. God knows how long she'd been doing that for. We booked her in for a doctor's appointment. I'm supposed to be recording against her new novel. Find tapes. Apa siya dito? Oh my gosh! Dali, Agi, dali, Agi. Oh my gosh, I don't like pain. There's another one. September 14th. Jenna and I stopped to see Esther again today. The place was filthy. I'm not sure how it would have gotten so bad so quickly. Esther doesn't seem to be keeping herself clean either, and it's almost like she didn't recognize us. Her appointment is tomorrow. Jenna is worried she might have to go into care. I'll keep this documented. I hope Ruby doesn't have to see her like this. Okay? There's nothing in there. So then I will see you say something. nothing in here. It's a dead end. Why good to go here? Oh my gosh. Let's go again over here. Oh my gosh. You're so fast. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! September 5th. As of recording this, Esther is in the hospital. Her neighbors called the police in the early hours of the morning because they couldn't hear her screaming. She will be there for 2 days. We've told Ruby that she had a fall and that she's okay. We're waiting on a diagnosis. There it is! Oh my gosh! Give me that! On December 17th, we took Ruby to the hospital to see Nana. Esther made her a soft toy for her called Mr. Hop. A small rabbit, Esther always needs to clothes and toys. Ruby was thankful, but I must admit that this toy does have a look to it. Something quite unsettling. Oh, Mr. Up is not here because he's in the outside. He's in the inside. 3, 2, 4 down, 2 to go. Oh my gosh! 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 Kita ato. Oh my gosh! Ko siya. Kapit na kapit. Oh my gosh! Nilaki na pagpuso. Sige siya kami sa buwan. Oh yes! Oh! Safe at last! Safe at last! Oh my god!
Hello? Ruby? It's Mark from next door. Is everything okay there? I've been trying to call for hours. Hello? Ruby?
There's nothing here either. Back again. Oh my god. Okay, I'm invisible. Oh my god. Invisible. Pag namawala akong invisible. guys. Part yun na pod unya guys. Kaya siguro ako kapili. And so, hope you guys enjoyed my video and bye-bye! Part to the pod!